Dear students, let's discuss properties of carbon dioxide. As always, we'll start with physical properties and then we'll move to chemical properties. So first, physical properties of carbon dioxide. First, nature. Carbon dioxide is colorless, odorless, but not tasteless. It has slight acidic, that is sour taste. This is because carbon dioxide when dissolves in water and so the liquid in your mouth, it forms carbonic acid. Because of that, it gives a little sour taste. Colorless, odorless with sour or acidic taste. Then we come to its density. Its density, as I discussed, is 1.5 times heavier than air. By using this property only, we can collect the gas by upward displacement of air method in a gas jar. Solubility. This is another reason why we don't collect it over water, because carbon dioxide is fairly soluble in water. And solubility increases with high pressure and low temperature. These are the two features which we discussed in the chapter water as well. For the solubility of gases, the solubility increases at lower temperature in water and it also increases at higher air pressure. So at high pressure and low temperature, carbon dioxide can be even more soluble in water. Otherwise also at normal temperature and pressure, it is fairly soluble in water. Then we come to liquefaction, means how do we convert it to liquid. Normally, the gases like oxygen, nitrogen are to be cooled to extremely low temperature and then high pressure to liquefy them. But carbon dioxide, without cooling much, just by applying high pressure, can be converted to liquid carbon dioxide. It means it can be liquefied easily without lowering much temperature, but only by applying high pressure. Once it is liquefied, then solidification is another thing. How to solidify the carbon dioxide? By cooling it to, once the liquid carbon dioxide is there, if it is cooled to minus 78 degrees Celsius at normal pressure only, then it gets converted to solid carbon dioxide. Solid carbon dioxide is also known as dry ice because it looks like ice. As normal ice or water looks, the dry ice or dry carbon dioxide also, solid carbon dioxide also looks like that. But it's called dry ice because ice, if we hold tightly, will wet our hand, but dry ice won't do so. Solid carbon dioxide won't do so. That's why we call solid carbon dioxide as dry ice. This dry ice is the common name for the solid carbon dioxide. It is a sublimable substance, and if exposed to normal temperature only, it converts easily from solid form to directly gaseous form, but without turning to liquid carbon dioxide. So it is a sublimable solid and is used for different purposes. For dramatic effect on the stage or in the movies, solid carbon dioxide is used because it converts directly into the gaseous form. And then physiological, dry ice is having a cooling effect because it is made at minus 78 degrees Celsius. So it is used for refrigeration of food in ships carrying perishable food material. Dry ice is used for keeping the food safe. It means it is also used as a refrigerant for the perishable food materials, especially in ships, etc., where they do not have electricity to run the refrigerator for a long period, for which ships stay in the sea. And physiological action, carbon dioxide is a non-poisonous gas. It has no harmful effect on our body. Rather, carbon dioxide dissolved in water is so good for the purpose of photosynthesis of green plant. But if we breathe in the carbon dioxide rich atmosphere, due to any reason, like when burning happens, then there is a lot of carbon dioxide, then people feel suffocation. and may even die, but that is not because of carbon dioxide. That is because of lack of oxygen. We need oxygen for breathing and survival. So if there is carbon dioxide all around and there is no oxygen, then due to lack of oxygen, one may feel suffocation or may even die. But carbon dioxide in itself is a non-poisonous gas. Carbon dioxide is neither combustible nor helps in combustion. In the next video, we will discuss chemical properties of carbon dioxide. That's all for this video.